case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, the Court of Special Appeals of Maryland heard a case that pivoted on the delicate balance of trust and accountability in the realm of family trusts. Johnson v. Johnson centered around a son facing off against his own mother in a simmering dispute over the complex workings of the Johnson Family Trust. Established by Edward and Catherine Johnson, the trust was designed carefully so that each spouse would possess an equal share. Upon Edward's passing, though, a whole new layer emerged to the trust construction. The initial entity evolved into two individual trusts identified as Trust A and Trust B, with Catherine, the widowed spouse, now possessing the entitlement to both income and principal from both trusts. However, Edward's son James didn't just stand on the sidelines watching this transformation. Uncertain about the allocation of assets and wary of the lack of transparency, James took legal action. He initiated a petition that demanded an accounting of the entire trust, hoping to shine a light on the intricate machinations of his family's legacy. Unsurprisingly, his mother, Catherine, opposed this request. The court weighed in, siding with James and recognizing his valid interest in the trust. They ordered Catherine to provide the accounting that James had initially requested. Stung by this decision, Catherine decided to appeal. However, the appellate court proved unswayed by her arguments. They not only affirmed the lower court's order but went one step further. They held that a trustee, in this case Catherine, was obligated by law to provide an account of trust management, regardless of any specific language in the trust that suggested otherwise. In a bold move that underscored the importance of transparency and accountability in the management of trusts, the court ruled that even the trust's creators cannot waive this fiduciary duty. Affirming the principle that every trust must be subject to accountability, they signaled support for beneficiaries to have enforceable rights. Ultimately, the court affirmed that James did indeed have a legal interest in the trust, rejecting the waiver attempt as invalid under Maryland law. They upheld the order stating Catherine was required to provide an accounting and pay all associated costs. The final scent of victory, it seemed, rested not with the trustee, but with the individual demanding transparency and accountability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.